How does it feel to create your own mockup? Yeah, I feel so great. Why? Because it makes me feel unique. Creating something from scratch is a plus. It sharpens your skills. In today's video, I want to show you how to create your own personal mockups, just as I did with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. 3 days ago, I dropped a video on how to create clipping marks using Affinity by Canva. If you missed out, do well to check it out. Link in description. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications to stay posted. Let's get started. Here we go now. Here we go now. Welcome back to the class. This is this is not a singing class, by the way. I'm just being silly. This is a graphic design class. All right, so the first thing here is the screen artwork. This is how I created the screen artwork. Hey, I think you know this buddy right here, right? 2 weeks ago, I dropped a video on how to create cartoon, how to draw with the Vector Studio using shapes, pen tool. So you can check it out, link in description. So this is actually how I created the screen artwork. Everything looks sharp. The reason why you see the mockup very sharp is because I saved the entire project as SVG. So that is the best way to get your vector artworks, looking sharp. The size for this artwork is 9 by 16, approximately 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels for YouTube Shorts. And the opposite of this is 16 by 9, which is 1920 by 1080. For the mockup I created, it looks squarish, which is half of this artwork. Let me quickly show you the mockup. So this is the mockup. When I zoom in, you can still see how sharp the image looks like. Most people create screen mockups and you don't see the front camera. You mostly see them having their screen mockups looking like this. This is the actual design on the phone. This is a creative way of designing. I love this artwork here. Before we can create this mockup, there are 3 things we need to do. We need to create a selection. We need to max the layer for the selection. And the final step is to create a clipping mask with a solid layer. Let's try another example. We will create a screen artwork. I need to import the image I want to use. Control O for the shortcut. And then this is the image. Alright, so as you can see, this is the image. I need to get rid of this. I switch to the Pixel Studio and I grab this tool here, quick selection tool. So this is it, not this. This is object selection. So I click to make a selection. Since I have the selection, the next thing I need to do is to max the layer, but I made a mistake. I missed one step. I undo. The right thing I need to do is to duplicate this layer first, because most people just go ahead to max the layer. So I did that to explain to you that you don't need to do it that way. So we have a duplicate of this. The next thing I'll do is to select the front camera. I switch to subtract. I reduce the size a bit and you can see it's ideal for the front camera size. I click to make a selection. So something like this. The next thing I will do is to press backspace on the keyboard. So you can see it changes, and then I deselect, Ctrl D. The next thing I will do is to create a solid shape. As I stated earlier on, I press U on my keyboard, a shortcut, and then I draw a shape. So something like this. So ideally this is it, and then I move this inside. So you can see it right there. This is where we will clip mask the artwork. I click on this. The size of this 1478 pixels and the height is 1115 pixels. So this is how I will create the size. So this is what I'll do. I press Ctrl N and then I create a new canvas. The resolution is 300. I just click on create. This is where I will create the new design. It looks exactly as the size here. So let's start with the design. I am using the same colors here, the same artwork. and then I set a background color. I click on pixel and then I paste the color code here. So I drag to copy. All right, you just drag to copy. I need to check the scale with object because I want to scale down the size. I need to check this scale with object. Anytime you are scaling something down, you need to check this. It helps to maintain the form and width of whatever you are scaling down. I press and hold shift and then I scale down like this. I think the camera is somewhere here, so let me move this. I will leave a download link so that you can have access to the Samsung icons pack. You can see how beautiful this looks. The next thing I'll do is to add the apps icon, which I have them right here. when I try scaling down, you can see a red line which is snapping. It helps you to arrange elements proportionally aligned on a straight line. The next thing I will do is to export this artwork. I click on this and then I select JPEG and then I select this option, best quality. I click on export. Let's get straight into the mockup. The next thing I will do is to import the image. I click on file and then place. And then I create a clipping mask. Very simple, very easy. I have created a mockup. If I want to change this image, all I need to do is to drop this arrow down and then select this image layer, replace image, and I add any image I want. So finally, this is how I created the mockup for Galaxy Z Fold 8. I believe you've learned a lot from the beginning to this far. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video very helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, and leave your thoughts. See you in the next video.